I'm Arvelyn Lewis, and that business behind me, let's see if I can get it in the frame. Yep, there it is. Treat your feet. Wow. If you've not heard about it, Treat Your Feet, you need to find out about it. It's in Atlanta. This one, I've been told there's two establishments, but I only know about this one. Got a mosquito right there trying to bite my finger. This is awesome. This is the treat of personal care that you didn't know you needed. Who knew that there was such a business as reflexology foot massage? And that's really kind of their specialty. They do full body massage, but the 1 hour reflexology foot massage is the relaxation that you need in your life. You really need it. There is the foot wash. That's like a blessing from heaven. And then there's the each toe, each muscle in your foot group, and a hot stone massage and oils, and oh, it smells wonderful. And then they finish it off with a little neck massage and a little shoulder action. You need to check it out. It's Treat Your Feet in Atlanta. Tell them I sent you. They won't care about that part, but you need to check it out.